Swami. I head agency sales for Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. The thought of Ankuram came to us because we thought there were a lot of things in society, and as a corporate, we wanted to do something for the society. So we were espousing a lot, we were seeing for a lot of causes, and somehow we espoused on or zeroed on this cause because this was something that we genuinely felt the society needed, and there was somebody who should take a lead in it so that other corporates could follow. And then basically why we coined the phrase Ankuram was, Ankuram is basically like when the seed goes into the soil and the shoot comes out, that is Ankuram. So this is a new beginning, and we hope that seeing us, many of the corporates would follow us, because this is not something that we are doing for gaining any kind of popularity or something. This is a cause that me and my team really feel is very, very close to our heart. And the blood that is going to very, very needy people, like children in the Thalassemia Society and in some other places where, because we are donating in entire Andhra Pradesh, we are tied up with government hospitals and other things, to blood cancer patients also, who are very, very needy, who cannot really afford to buy blood. So the point was that once we are doing it, because the need of blood is so much that the society is as of now not catering to it. And the second part is that even I found in my own team, people really did not know that what blood donation was it safe? So there were so many misconceptions. So going ahead, we cleared a lot of misconceptions, and we hope that by taking this initiative, a lot of good work will happen on the ground, and Bajaj Allianz would take a lead in setting up something of a corporate responsibility where others could follow up, and the society would get through us what it really requires. So that is all about Ankuram, and as Subrat sir was saying, who is head of sales for Bajaj Allianz, it is not a one-time activity where we are doing it for just 1 week and we'll forget it and we'll shut it. It is a continuous activity. We'll finalize the modalities on it, how we can go ahead, where we can donate, how people can approach us, all that we will be finalizing, and we will be taking it forward, and through the media we will try to propagate it so that people who really require, they reach to us and we cater to them. As of now, across the state, we are looking at donating around 2,000 units of blood through our employees, agents, and even our customers. The rough count that has come to me as of now is reaching around 2,000, and it is really catching up like wildfire. I would not be surprised if we surpass that number and reach a very decent number of even 3,000 plus. And that is what we are really looking forward to, so that the society really recognizes that Bajaj Allianz is there, and through this initiative, we are able to reach to the people of Andhra Pradesh and reach closer to them and do something where there is no profit for a corporate. It is just a responsibility we want to shoulder, and we want to show that we are there for you. Thank you.